Recycling Expo. We're showing our textile recycling device. This is a bench that you can sort textiles on really quickly. We've set it up to 100% cotton with a green bin, 100% polyester, blue bin, polycottons, the white bin. We have anything else just in the red bin here. So we'll quickly scan some of these materials. What have we got here? Take a nice 100% polyester, blue light, blue bin, in. What's the next material? Again, 100% polyester, blue bin. Child's t-shirt, scan. 100% cotton, green bin, green light. What have we got? Hat. It's an acrylic and contamination. So this goes red. It's not recyclable with the system we're using today. Cotton, we'll send it cotton. So what we do is we take this pile of post-consumer waste, we sort it into different areas, and that gives you the power to get it recycled properly.